Let's start by cleaning the fish thoroughly and pat dry. Lightly season the fish with salt and pepper.
Pour the oil inside the fry pan.
Heat oil into medium-low and deep fry the fish until golden brown.
When the immersed side of the fish is brown and crispy, flip the fish to let the other side cook.
Drain excess oil and set aside. Slice 6 cloves of garlic.
Slice 1 bulb of onion into quarter cut and peel off the layers. We need 1/2 piece of ginger. Slice it into julienne.
One piece of carrot. Wash it first and slice into julienne. Slice 1 piece of bell pepper. Always remember to wash ingredients.
Pour the oil inside the fry pan. Sauté the sliced garlic. Next, sauté the sliced onion. Then sauté the sliced ginger. Next, sauté the bell pepper. Sauté the sliced carrots.
Add 800 ml of water. Add 250 grams of tomato sauce.
Add in the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Make sure to dilute the cornstarch in 1/2 cup of water before adding it in. Add 6 tablespoons of white sugar. Add salt and pepper. And lastly, add the pineapple chunks. Bring to boil and simmer the sauce for 10 minutes. Pour the sauce on the fried bisugo and serve immediately.
Here is our sweet and sour bisugo.
Now let's go and make buko pandan. Pour 3 cups of water in a saucepan. Combine water and 25 grams powdered gelatin, then stir using a spatula or a spoon. Heat the saucepan with the mixture. Bring to boil while continuously stirring. Turn off the heat and transfer the mixture to a platter or a molder. Allow the temperature to cool. The texture of the mixture should be firm once cooled. You may also place this inside the refrigerator for faster results. Next, slice the cheese into cubes. Always remember to wash your hands. Slice the firm gelatin into cubes. Combine 10 ounces of condensed milk, 4 ounces of evaporated milk, 250 ml of all-purpose cream, a whole can of kernel corn, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 cup of young coconut cut into strips, and cheese. Combine and mix the ingredients evenly. Chill the buko pandan in the refrigerator for about 1 or 2 hours or even overnight. And now here is our buko pandan.